All right, guys, we're going to be doing a tool review here. We got a Ryobi 12-inch surface cleaner that just attaches to your power washer here. And just to show you that I'm not using any, commercial grade power washer, I'm also using the Ryobi homeowner special here. And we're gonna see what it does to my sidewalk here. Now I'm gonna spray this down. And as you can see, it is filthy. So let's see what happens. And this is without no pre-treatment or anything like that. There's no chemicals on the concrete. There's nothing. Just want to see how well this works and how quick it's going to work. And to me, it's working pretty damn well. I'm sure there's better options out there, but this is working pretty damn well for your standard homeowner. And I know I probably could have cleaned the edges up with the 15-degree nozzle, but again, I just wanted to see what this would do. That looks a hell of a lot better already. Just do one more pass. There you have it. Just wipe it down. That's pretty damn good compared to this side. Wow.